In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Call of Duty Mobile on BlueStacks. We will go step by step so you can get into the game without any confusion. Open BlueStacks 5 on your Windows PC. Once it loads, you should see the main BlueStacks home screen with large app icons in the center and a bar of controls on the right side. If BlueStacks is updating, let that finish, then the home screen will appear and you are ready for the next step. From here, click System Apps. You will usually find this folder near the top left of the home screen. When you click it, a small window opens showing a few default Android apps. This is where BlueStacks keeps tools like the Play Store and the browser, very similar to how they appear on an Android phone. Now open Google Play Store. Inside the System Apps window, click the Play Store icon, which looks like a colored triangle. After a moment, the Google Play interface fills the screen with a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below. If it asks you to update Play Store first, let that run, then it will reopen automatically. Next, sign in with your Google account. You will see a sign-in button or a prompt to enter an email. Type your Gmail address, then your password, and follow any verification steps. Once you finish, Play Store will return to the main app page, but now your account picture or first letter appears in the top right corner, confirming you are signed in. Using an account keeps your game progress tied to your profile, so you can reinstall later without losing everything. Search for Call of Duty Mobile. At the top of the Play Store, click the search bar and type Call of Duty Mobile, then press Enter. The results page will show several apps with the official Call of Duty Mobile near the top, usually with a large soldier artwork. Now select the official game. Click on Call of Duty Mobile in the results list. The game page opens, showing the title, publisher name, rating, and screenshots. Check that the publisher is Activision Publishing Inc., which confirms it is the real game and not a copy. On this game page, click Install. The button is near the top right. As soon as you click it, the button changes to show a download progress bar, and you can see the size being downloaded. Large updates may start right away after the main install finishes. Wait for the installation to finish. You can watch the progress bar fill, and the text will change from downloading to installing. When it is done, the Install button changes to Open, which tells you the game is fully installed inside BlueStacks. After that, return to the BlueStacks home screen. You can click the Home icon on the side panel. The home screen appears again with your app icons, and now you should see Call of Duty Mobile added there as a new icon. Finally, click the Call of Duty Mobile icon to launch it. The game starts loading inside BlueStacks, showing the Call of Duty Mobile splash screen before reaching the main menu. You have now installed and opened Call of Duty Mobile on BlueStacks using Google Play, ready to set up your controls and start playing. So if this helped you get into the game, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple BlueStacks guides.